Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Dhriti. Today we're going to talk about my skincare routine. It's a spa I do at home once a week and it's basically to restore your skin. So let's get started. The first thing I do is I start off with an eyebrow shaver. This is how I remove my facial hair. I basically do this on dry skin and all I'm doing is using the eyebrow shaver with a very light hand in a downward motion. I also use upward motion sometimes just to make it like a smooth surface. I have tried waxing, I have tried threading, but both of them didn't suit my skin, so this suited me the best. You gotta make sure that you do this on dry skin is because it works like an exfoliator, so that's really great. It removes all the dead skin cells and also gets rid of the peach fuzz. After this, I'm going to be using a milk cleanser. This is a 3-in-1 makeup remover cleanser and it's really gentle on the skin. It's by Avene. So I just take a cotton pad and just wipe all the dirt off my face and everything that's been collected over time. And because I have just exfoliated, my pores are open as well. So this really deep cleans it. For the next step, you're going to need some water. So I'm first of all drinking some water because that is the best remedy for good skin. The more water, the better. Using some water to wet my nose because I'm going to be using the Blackhead patch. So this is by Bioray and these are blackhead removing strips, and you want to use the side that is smooth. So the more plasticky side, you can stick it on your forehead, your chin, dab some more water on it and leave that to dry. The next thing I'm going to be using is a peel off mask. This is a tea tree peel off mask by 7th Heaven, and tea tree is one of my favorite ingredients for acne prone skin. It really works. So whether it's your face wash, your peel off mask, tea tree is one ingredient you should look for. So all you have to do is apply this all over your face and it dries very fast and you have to simply peel it off. So again, it's a really great exfoliator as well, and tea tree is amazing. So I'm going to leave this whole thing for 15 minutes and to save time I just do it together. There you go. So it's all dry and now I'm just going to be peeling it off. Instantly you can see my skin just gets really nice and bright. I have been doing this for a while and my acne marks have been really reducing. After that, I'm just taking a wet cotton and I'm just wiping my face just to remove any of the remaining mask if I've left any. Removing the nose patch. It is really hurtful, but that's just all the dirt and grime coming off. Use an upward motion while removing it so it all peels off. Now because I've just pulled and tugged on my skin so much, we want to soothe it down, and that's why I'm using this Avene spring water spray, and this is amazing for sensitive skin, and leave it on for 5 minutes. The next thing is using a good serum. I keep changing up my serums every week. This time it's going to be an anti-aging serum. It just gives me like a variety. So the next thing I do is for my under eyes, my dark circles. I've tried a lot and I think this one has been working the best for me. I will leave the product links in the description bar, so make sure you check that out in case you want to know where I got it from. And I just rub this on my under eyes and it really helps with the puffiness and dark circles. And I end my spa routine with an eyelash serum. This honestly has surprised me. I had used this in one of my previous videos in which I'm testing weird Instagram trending products. Turns out it actually works to thicken my eyelashes and have noticed a difference. So that is my latest skincare routine. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.